When a Chinese company disbursed $1.8 million to a fund manager without proper paperwork, the lack of evidence became a stumbling block in seeking a resolution. In civil cases, the standard of proof is based on the balance of probabilities. In this case, the absence of discussions regarding the potential returns on investment raised doubts about a genuine investment agreement. The phrase, "my word is my bond," may sound noble in business and finance. Still, a recent legal battle in Singapore highlights the importance of documentation, especially when significant sums of money are involved. When a Chinese company disbursed $1.8 million to a fund manager without proper paperwork, the lack of evidence became a stumbling block in seeking a resolution. Number one, parties must have evidence. Regarding legal disputes, the claimant is responsible for proving the case. In civil cases, the standard of proof is based on the balance of probabilities, meaning the claim is more likely true than not. However, a claimant cannot rely solely on having a better explanation for events, as concrete evidence is necessary to support the case. Number two, investors expect profits. In investment agreements, expectations of returns are fundamental. In this case, the absence of discussions regarding the potential returns on investment raised doubts about a genuine investment agreement. Parties entering into financial agreements should communicate clearly about expected returns, ensuring transparency as well as understanding the financial terms. Number three, no one works for free. In financial dealings, it is common for fees to be associated with managing investments. In this case, the lack of clarity regarding remuneration details worked against the existence of the alleged investment agreement. It is improbable for a fund manager to work without specified remuneration, and parties should establish clear terms and conditions related to compensation. Number four, conduct of the parties. Communication is vital in business agreements, and the absence of written exchanges or internal records raised suspicions in this case. The court noted the lack of documentation and evidence to support either party's claims. Maintaining a record of discussions, agreements, or transactions is essential for legal clarity and to avoid disputes. This case underscores the critical importance of thorough documentation in business transactions, especially those involving substantial amounts of money. Verbal agreements, no matter how well-intentioned, may not hold up in court without proper evidence. As a best practice, parties should always ensure that agreements are formalized in writing, specifying terms, conditions, and expectations. So, now you know. If you found this helpful, follow and subscribe to our channels for more legal things.